Friends, let me introduce myself. My name is Pramod Kale. I started my work as early in the 1960 and retired in 1994 as Director Vikram Sarabhai Space Centre. Before that, I was earlier Project Manager for the Satellite Instructional Television Experiment, Project Director for the INSAT-1 Space Segment Project, and Director, Space Applications Center of ISRO. Sometime around March of 1968, while I was working in Thumba Equatorial Rocket Launching Station, I received a message that I have to proceed with looking at the sites for launching our satellites. Professor Chitnis and myself, we visited Hyderabad, and from there, then we proceeded to Chennai, and from there we visited the Sri Harikota Island. The island itself was not that easily accessible, and we had to cross certain portion of the Pulicat Lake in the jeep, and finally the Buckingham Canal had to be crossed using a boat. After visiting that particular site, I stayed overnight there and did a much larger amount of survey throughout the forest and throughout that particular area. After I had made my recommendation, after visiting various locations in Andhra Pradesh as well as in Tamil Nadu, I had come to the conclusion that Sri Harikota Island would be the right kind of a place. But Dr. Vikram Sarabhai could not visit immediately. So it was decided that he would go through a aerial survey. This aerial survey was organized by our Atomic Energy Office in Madras. The aerial survey was quite remarkable because Dr. Vikram Sarabhai was sitting in the co-pilot's chair. The pilot was piloting and I was standing between the pilot and Dr. Vikram Sarabhai. And Dr. Vikram Sarabhai would then say that, okay, get down to this place, I want to see various. Now, during this time, there were quite a few other people sitting in the plane. And I think most of the people really got sick due to all these type of flying. But Dr. Vikram Sarabhai was very, very clear as to he wanted to see all the sites wherever I had visited. And the way he was asking me the questions, it was very clear that he had read the entire report, what I had submitted, even the minutest details regarding the environment, regarding the trees, regarding the forest areas, and how we should be looking at this particular location in the future. Dr. Sarabhai was very much concerned regarding the environment, and right from the very beginning, with Dr. Bhava and Dr. Sarabhai, it was very clear for us that we had to take extra care of all the trees around us and the environment around us. We had to realign some of the drawings which we had made in terms of how the roads should be because there were some old trees in between. And our civil engineering division and everybody really followed all the instructions given by Dr. Bhava as well as Dr. Vikram Sarabhai.